Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have negative number 2 sine 2x dx. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. Sine 2x dx we change by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to 3 sine t. So if we put this one going here, we have 9 sine t square. Number 9. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square. We change cosine t square. And later that, we simplify the square root and du. So du we have 3 cosine t dt. First, the derivative of sine t, we have cosine t. So I will put this one going here and here. Du we change by this one. So this one we have 9 sine t square. Number 9. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square. The square root of 9 cosine t square, we have 3 cosine t. And now we need to simplify 3 cosine t on numerator and denominator. So number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. This one we have cosecant of t. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotangent t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And then we find t equals to arc sine of u over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. So about u, that is about cosine 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.